Hello. Now we're in lesson 12. We're going to be doing exercise 22, and that deals with Patrick Compton. And Patrick Compton had a rollover into an IRA, and a rollover is not taxable. So we're going to go into the client search. I've created Patrick Compton's basic return. I'll do a search. Again, in the 2023 software still, there's Patrick Compton's return. We open it up, and we have a form. We have a 1099-R form to report the rollover. So we're going to go into the federal section. We're going to go under income. We could key in 1099-R in the form finder up here. Maybe we'll do it that way. 1099-R. And there it is, distributions from pensions, annuities, retirement, and profit sharing. We'll click on that. And it puts us into a 1099-R. How convenient. Now we can just go ahead and key in the information that's on the 1099-R. So bear with me. We're going to key in 52. The payer's ID is 52 746 4547. And the information's been entered before, so it comes up with Yield Bank at Trust. There's the address. On the 1099-R, we have a gross distribution in box 1 of $234,975. There it is. There's nothing in taxable amount. It shows that this is a total distribution. It's a checkbox in 2B. And we want this to be nothing up here. Capital gain, nothing. Next box we have is box 7, where it shows a distribution code of G. And there's G. And now we're finished. We're done. There's nothing else on the form, so we're finished, right? Well, it tells us in the exercise that for a rollover with a code of G, what we need to do is go down here where it says rollover or disability, and it says check here if all or part was rolled over and enter the rollover amount. Check here to report on, this must be a code of 3. So this was a rollover, so we want to check that box. What was the rollover amount? It was the full amount, $234,975, which was pulled from box 1. If it was different, we would change it, but that's it. So now we've completed that. We say continue. Thanks. And it's now been, that 1099-R has been saved. Now it tells us in the exercise to go and check on the bottom of the first page of the 1040. And if I go back here and look at the 1040 this way, here's the first page. Let's go to the bottom and see what's there. Well, if we go to the bottom and look for it, there's nothing here. It doesn't say rollover anywhere. And that's because this is a different printout. It's not the actual return that's going to be generated. In order to generate that, the actual return, we want to go up to print, to view print return. And once this comes up, we'll say print it, which doesn't really print it. It just prints an image of it for us. Here's the return. Now we want to go to the 1040, first page, go to the bottom and see what's there. There's the first page of the 1040. If we go to the bottom, now notice it says 5B right here, which has nothing. Well, it says that's a rollover, and you can see right there where it prints out rollover. So again, in order to see that, you need to look at the actual return, do a print view, if you will, of the actual return. Okay, we're finished with exercise 22.